Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, upload your Excel, XLSX file to Google Drive using the web browser. Next, right-click the uploaded file and choose Open with Google Sheets from the menu. Google Sheets will display your workbook and attempt to preserve formulas, formatting, and pivot tables when possible. If you want native Sheets features, choose File then Save as Google Sheets to convert the file fully. Converted files can handle up to 10 million cells in a single spreadsheet without immediate issues. When editing, most Excel formulas convert automatically into Google Sheets equivalents without manual changes. Advanced macros and VBA will not transfer. Consider recreating automation with AppScript. To link data live between spreadsheets, use import range and specify the range, for example A1, D1000, to keep updates synchronized. Review conditional formatting rules and pivot tables after conversion to confirm results remain correct. If a formula fails, replace proprietary functions with Google equivalents step by step in the editor. To collaborate, click Share and set permissions for specific users or anyone with the link. Grant viewer, commenter, or editor roles depending on required access and control. When you need an Excel copy, choose File then Download and select Microsoft Excel, XLSX, to export the current sheet. Use version history to restore prior states or to review changes before exporting. For offline work, enable Google Drive Sync or use the Sheets mobile app to edit without immediate internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.